Hello, today I, Tanu Verma, am going to talk on the topic crime against women and children. Women and children are some of the people in society who are most at risk. They are victims of crime like rape, sexual harassment, dowry deaths, child abuse, trafficking, and exploitation. These crimes go against the basic rights of safety, equality, and dignity. Landmark decisions have been very important in shaping legal protection. To deal with these kind of crimes, we need strict laws, awareness, and good enforcement. Crime against women. Key sections under BNS are Section 63 to 70 Rape and Sexual Assault, Section 74 Outraging Modesty, Section 105 Dowry Debt, Section 106 Cruelty by Husband or Relatives, and Section 124 for Acid Attack. There are several landmark cases on women, such as the Mathura rape case, Mukesh versus State, the Nirbhaya case, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan, and Lakshmi versus Union of India. Crime against children. Key sections under BNS are Section 64 to 70 Sexual Offences Against Children, Section 92 Abandonment or Exposure of Children below 12 years, Section 97 to 98 Buying and Selling of Minors for Prostitution or Slavery, Section 138 to 141 for Kidnapping and Trafficking of Children. The landmark cases of children are State of Punjab versus Gurmeet Singh, Independent Thought versus Union of India, Bachpan Bachao Andolan cases, and Sheila Barse versus Union of India. Broader definition of rape and sexual offences including acid attack under BNS and dowry and cruelty under BNS. Crime against children, sexual offences, severe punishment for penetrative or non-penetrative assault, gang rape of minors, which is children below 18 years, leads to life imprisonment or in severe cases death also. Focus on protecting dignity of minors. Kidnapping and trafficking of children. Section 138 to 141 deals with kidnapping for marriage, begging, or trafficking of children. Punishment up to the life imprisonment covers forced labor and exploitation of children. Reforms and innovations in BNS, time-bound trial, sexual offences cases within 2 months, recognition of digital evidence helps in cybercrime cases, victim-centric approach, compensation, rehabilitation, and medical aid. Harsher punishment, harsher punishments, especially for repeat offenders. Challenges in implementation, underreporting due to stigma and fear, delay in investigation despite strict timelines, lack of awareness of new provisions, need for police and judicial sensitivity training. Now, I would like to conclude it by stating that BNS 2023 is a progressive replacement of IPC, provides stronger safeguards for women and children. Landmark cases shaped interpretation of rights, strict enforcement, and awareness leads to safer and just society. Thank you.